Hey, this is Western Wild. We're back out camping again for the first time in 3 or 4 months here, and it is quite snowy.
The roads to our campsite were snowier than we expected. There were quite a few deep ruts and icy bits, but we were really pleasantly surprised to see that there was this much snow on these roads.
In our last video, we talked about the importance of having a chainsaw for driving in deep snow. We encountered several downed trees on this road. Fortunately, each one had a workaround, but it was nice to know that we could have removed them if we had to. Getting around this downed tree was particularly unnerving. It's hard to tell from the camera angle. The path around it was super off-camber, and the truck wanted to slide into the tree. We considered cutting or winching it out of the way, but ultimately opted to carefully drive around.
After exploring the back roads for a little bit and finding a campsite for the night, we headed out to go meet up with my cousin Nathaniel in his Subaru Outback before heading back to our camp.
One of the challenges of owning a golden retriever in the snow.
It's about 5 minutes worth of snow.
Literally just got out of the car and it's already building up. So you got to get that cleaned off.
And then we use this stuff to keep it out of his paws. It works pretty well.
Cold weather complicates our rooftop tent setup in several ways. Zippers stick, straps freeze, and it becomes very slippery crawling all over the truck. While this tent has served as our comfortable home away from home over the last 5 years, we're very ready for an upgrade to something that sets up faster and is maybe more insulated.
Just pine needles masquerading as... So somebody tried to burn a, I don't even know what it is, piece of machinery.
It's like a sprocket or something.
That's lame, don't do that.
Oh, yeah, burn. Oh, there's a nice knot there. Let's get it. Nice.
So what's next, babe?
So normally we start a fire the proper way, gathering a bunch of twigs, using a fire starter. Sometimes when we go snow camping though, we get lazy and we want to cheat. So that's what we're going to do today. During that last shot, we made a fun discovery. Apparently the drone is super effective at stoking the fire. Probably not something you want to try in dry conditions, but with snow on the ground, it wasn't a problem.
The sun set quickly since we were camping just a few days before the winter solstice. So we made a big campfire and settled in early for a nice warm and hearty chorizo stew.
If we wake up and it's like 5 degrees, I'm not going to be thrilled.
It probably will be.
It's 32 currently.
I was wondering.
Early.
Yeah. First real run of the diesel heater here, getting up to temperature. Up by a little. When it's all the way, those little bars will go from green to red. Pretty noisy on the startup cycle, but 4 minutes in and it's already putting out some good heat. Great status with the dog.
Burrito pup. Diesel heaters are great. They're quite nice. Finally comfortable-ish.
Snow or grass or whatever, because the tailpipe can like be near it, you know?
But you're fine in this weather.
Yeah.
You're more than fine in this weather.
It should.
Oh no, he's in his car. Wondering where you went.
If you want to know how cold it got last night, a tea bag frozen to a piece of kindling. Snow built up on the propane tank, so now we have to get it off. Not easy. All right, we've got the truck all loaded up and ready to go. It's a cold trip, learned some things, shook off some cobwebs, and be better prepared for next time. This was a quick trip, but it was nice to get out into the woods, get back into our camping routine, and test out some new gear. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe below. We're going to have way more winter adventure themed content coming out in the next few months. Until then, stay wild.